Former Senator Leila de Lima's acquittal from illegal drug charges proves the country has a functioning justice system. The president cited in his defense of his decision to bar the ICC from conducting its probe against the former president in the country. Armela Las Moras has more.
Several lawmakers are in favor with a stance and reiteration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. that we do not need the International Criminal Court or ICC to intervene on the issue on the war on illegal drugs of former President Rodrigo Duterte, and it has no jurisdiction in the country. According to the chief executive, former Senator Leila de Lima's recent acquittal from her drug charges is a proof that country's justice system works.
Maybe this is something we should show the ICC. Tignan mo, our judiciary is working properly. All our investigative services are working properly. We still stay with our position that the ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines because we have a working police force, we have a working judiciary, and do not require any assistance in that regard.
For his part, House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo said he shares the president's take on the matter. He pointed out that we have our own authorities and systems in place, so there is no need for foreigners to interfere in this matter.
Para naman insulto sa ating judicial system natin na, oy ICC, tulungan nyo kami, di namin kaimbestigahan ito. Kaya naman natin imbestigahan. So, I agree with the President 100% na gumagana, working yung ating judicial system.
House Committee on Human Rights Chair Bienvenido Abante Jr. also agrees. In fact, his committee is conducting a thorough investigation into the former administration's brutal war on illegal drugs.
The reason why na iniimbestigahan natin ito sa committee domestically upang hindi na pumunta pa ang mga biktima sa ICC para dumulog sa kanila, and we cannot actually prevent them from going to the ICC, di ba? That to be done domestically.
When Congress resumes session in July, the Human Rights Committee is expected to resume its investigation. And despite the pronouncement of former President Duterte and Senator Bato de la Rosa that they will not attend, the committee still hopes they can persuade them to change their decision.
Accord him, ang ating former president, with utmost respect bilang dating Pangulo ng Pilipinas. No? Kahit Senator Bato, ito po yung invitation. Naiinwala po kami sa Inter-Parliamentary Codicy. Pero ang pag-invite namin sa kanya, hindi po sa pagka-senator siya, kundi iniimbitahan namin siya nung siya ay Director General ng Philippine National Police, kung saan marami ang namatay.
Meanwhile, House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro also had this message for the former chief executive.
Magkakaroon siya ng pagkakataon, si dating Pangulong Duterte, na depensahan yung kanyang peking war on drugs. No, dito niya ipakita na talagang naging effective at talagang gusto ng mamamayan yung kanyang war on drugs. Kaya kung ako sa kanya, maging matapang siyang harapin.
The Makabayan Bloc supports the House probe on the issue. But despite this, they're still hoping the ICC can also freely investigate the matter in the country. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.